Hiya, so we're at the Sausage and Cider Festival, Wootton Bassett Rugby Club, and we're going to have a little walk around, see what's going on, what's on offer. So yeah, come along with us. There's going to be live music. The event goes on till 11:30, I believe, tonight. And we just watched a little bit of the rugby that's going on as well. So it's going to head to the main bit now and get some tokens. So it works with tokens. So we can try some of the ciders. It's quite busy. So yeah, it does say in the brochure who's playing today, so I will have a look. But yeah, so you can see a rugby match as well. And this is in Wootton and Bassett.
There we go.
Yeah, so one of those, and then we'll go for a different one. Lily's Cheeky Pig.
Did you say Cheeky Pig?
Yeah, Cheeky Pig. Thank you. Really nice. That's the scrumpy.
Cheeky Pig. So that'd be 12 tokens, please.
Oh, we thought it was 10.
Deposit for the cup.
Oh, is it?
Oh, they didn't say.
Tell us that, sorry.
Sorry about that. There you go. What's your one like?
It's more sweeter.
Oh yeah, it's really sweet. So we've just got the Lily Pig and we got the Scrumpy. But yeah, both really nice. The Lily Pig's a lot sweeter. The Scrumpy's more of a sort of non-fizzy, a little bit drier. Yeah, it's getting a bit it's busier than last time, isn't it? Is rugby finished now then? Yeah, it looks like it.